Hello. Hello to all of you guys who are watching. Welcome to the stream. And why can't I see my chat? I don't know. Reset UI. I don't know. Okay. So let's continue. I think yeah, the previous time we were having some clerk issues. This time I hope so we would not have any of those issues. Do I have any other instances? We don't want this guy to be here. I guess I have few things over there. Hold on. Let's now continue our social media part of this pixel art project. So yeah, what do I want to do? Local sports 3000. Yeah, and we were building this, so sign out and then database sync, right? So let's see the webhook now. So the event type, the overall body is pretty simple. So we take the webhook secret and these things happen. This is the okay, and this is the payload, and this is the body which we get, which after stringify. Why do we stringify this? I don't get it. We get the body and then we verify it. Okay. So payload is basically what is there. Okay. I can use the payload for this. Interesting. Uh Again, stream quality, open stream. What is the issue? Bye, Aj. It's time. This is Yashir. Plastic. The stream live miss हो गया notification. Yeah, it's okay, bro. No worries. आज yes, today मैं इसी time पे आ गया. But today is Saturday, bro. So आज I don't have any work right now. So yeah, let's continue on this. Right. So we have this, and how many of you actually want to learn Vim? Like, do you want me to create a Vim tutorial? Like, Vim is really cool. If you guys learn Vim, it could literally enhance like your speed by at least 2x. At least 2x, right? Right now, I'll be explaining what is the problem I'm facing. So, this is clerk, right? And, clerk is basically, wait, can't it handle? Hold on. Okay, this is not there. Let me connect to my another. Uh, Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Anish. What's up? How are you? Let me hear. Yeah. Okay. So, just wanted to say that I have pushed this project. So anybody who wants to create a PR could go to github.com slash what was the project name? Pixel Art Creator. Yeah. So you can go to here and you can check the source code and everything. Do I have pushed my .env? No, fortunately not. Okay, so I'll be posting the GitHub URL. This is the GitHub URL. Where is why can't I paste this, bro? Why can't I paste this? I should be able to paste this. Hold on. No, I cannot. So I'll be putting this in the descriptions. You can go to the description and you can see. So GitHub URL. Wait, let me update this. Uh, I cannot copy this. Hold on. I'll just copy the link. No copy pasting works. Why? Oh, now it works. Yeah, I have in the description. Go to the I have it here as well. So I've sent this. You can go to this particular GitHub link in order to basically create your PR. So we'll be dividing the work. So some part you guys will be doing, some part I'll be doing, and we will all be making this. I'll be definitely explaining what I'm doing right now. So till the time I'm making the authentication part, I want one of you to create a PR for a social media UI. So let's go to Dribble. Please do develop. And if you're developing, please let me know before developing so that I just know you're doing that. Okay. So just go to Dribble and search for any social media website. The front end stack which we're using is basically Next UI. So this Next UI and Tailwind CSS. So you can use both of these to make anything. Uh, so just create a PR from this. Uh, just pick any social media kind of thing, right? Where like create it simple, right? So what we want is, I'll explain you right over here. All of you guys who are watching, just see this, right? I want a very simple UI. I want like let's say this is the screen, right? I want I want feeds. Hold on. I want an image, whatever pixel art you have created, and I want over here that pixel art should be there in the between, like in the middle. There should be a profile icon where user's profile could be shown, right? This is the UI you guys have to make. Whoever is picking this, if you are picking this, just say I'm picking this, okay? So this was the profile icon, and this will be the name. So name of the user. I know this is very big, so we'll be making. So just create something like this, okay? So this is the name of the user, and like whatever the title which was provided, so just mention the title over here. So like hey, this is title. Okay, just place it over here, and yeah, and then it should be multiple of these. So like this, right? This is the UI which I want. So anybody of you, like whoever wants to pick this up, please pick this up and let me know that you're picking this up before. Okay, I provided everything. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. So yesterday the issue which we were facing is here. This is a webhook which we created. So in this webhook, what used to happen was whenever we whenever we create a new account or do anything new with like clerk, right? It kind of updates us over here. But the problem was it wasn't giving us the full user data. Like it was, but before, but it suddenly stopped giving. So what we'll do is we'll do something like we'll see what could we do to avoid this. How could we actually get the data? Okay, so yeah, so let's go to the clerk dashboard. Let's go to the clerk dashboard and let's see all the users which we have created, and let's delete the users and let's see do we even get anything. All of you guys who want to create, this is the place where you have to create this. So I'm sorry, hold on, where is the project? 3000. Yeah, so this is the place where you have to create this. So this particular page, which is the first page, should be the feeds page. If anybody could see the post, but if he wants to react to the post, he has to basically sign in. That's the idea. uh, okay, let's delete the user. There's no users now, and I am signed out, right? So I should be getting I should be getting at least something over here, right? So yeah, let's try to sign up. It goes to the Google thing. Continue with Google. uh, it does something. Let's see, do we get anything? We did not. That's surprising. Why didn't we get that event? Oh, because got it. Because I'll tell you the reason why I didn't. Because ng rocks is required, because webhooks, this is something. So ng rock http 3000. This will create a local tunnel. I don't know, that names is very fascinating, but on this URL, on this particular URL, anybody could access my app on like my local machine. Interesting, right? So what we have to do is we have to go to the dashboard and we have to update the webhook to this URL now. So yeah, all of you guys watching, if you're watching, just do let me know. Okay, you're watching. Error rate 70%. What do you mean by 70% error rate? What are you doing? I don't want to add this. I want to remove this. So these was the endpoints, and I just want to delete this. Can I? Yeah, I can. Endpoint. I added this as an endpoint new. So this is the new endpoint. Okay. So wait, message filtering. Organization created. I don't care about organization created. Just create this, bro. What do you want? Invalid URL. Oh yeah, this is invalid URL. That makes sense. So it is. What was the URL, bro? Where was we? Where were we doing it? Okay, watching. Oh, you're watching. Yes. Okay, I can see you're watching. API slash webhook. API slash webhooks. Okay. What happened? What is the invalid URL, bro? This is a correct URL. What do you mean? How could this be invalid? Hold on. There is no endpoint, so we'll add an endpoint. An endpoint is this. So we'll remove this first part and slash app slash web slash web section local webhook. Okay, and create. Yeah, we have created this. See, we did create this pretty successfully. Let's enjoy this. Okay. Now the next thing what we have to do is, as we have changed this, the secret will also be changed. And I have leaved a lot of my environment variables, so this time I'll not do it. This time I'll be little more bit more careful. Okay. Can I do it like, bro, there's seriously something wrong with this. I don't know why does it I have to copy this in my .env. Hold up. I'll just copy this in my .env and I'll be back. Yeah. So I did connected to that. Now what we have to do is yeah, we have to try to create a new account and let's see do we get or not. But the problem is we have to delete the user because that's what it is. Yeah, so we have deleted the user and now how many of you use Vim for your daily coding? Like, seriously, I'm asking. How many of you do you use Vim? Just asking. Okay, so this is work, and now what do? We go to we go to no, this is not what we want. I have a habit of going to the work. So we have pixel art project posted, and what we have to do is we have to uh, yeah, let's register a new user. So sign up and continue with Google. This should technically give us a new user now. Not here, I mean over here. We did got something, and this is working for sure, but it is saying that slash app slash webhook to the public route. I think I did add to the public route. Yeah, it is in the public route, so that's not an issue. But it did not trigger this. That's surprising. So it did not trigger anything from a user created. Because why didn't it trigger user created? Interesting. Mm, so it's saying, what is it saying? Is it saying clerk authentication for protecting 404 route, remove the rule matching web slash app7 from API routes array. pass to the auth middleware. To make routes accessible to both signed and user, add to public route array. Okay, I have to add this to pub. This is in the public route array. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'll have to restart this, I guess. Bro, do you work too? Yes, bro, I work too. I am a software developer. So yeah. So let's sign out. Oh, bro, this is the most annoying issue. Uh, oh, but this will not work now because we'll have to like this is not account creation. So this is account login. Delete user, delete user. Okay. So this is why am I getting this error, bro? Clerk, the request to slash is being protected from there's no sign in user and the path is included in API route. Why? Okay, the problem is okay, I got it, I got it, I got it. So this matches all the routes. So slash API. So what we'll do is we'll not do it like this way. Like, this is not the correct way. So our protected route will be this makes sense. Okay. So let it be like empty right now. We don't want any protected route for now. So yeah, now this will be the user will be registered, so it will be here. Oh, there's no user registered. Awesome. So technically, if we do this, now it should it should it should be able to do it. I mean, yeah. Okay. Auth was called, but clerk didn't detect the use of auth middleware. Please ensure whatever. So there is some other issue now. Uh, there is matcher issue, bro. So wait, what do you mean? So auth middleware, and this is the thing, and these are the public route. Uh, mm, mm, mm. This is the thing which we did, right? And this is empty right now. So everything is protected. But if we just go to the public route, this is one of the routes. I mean, anybody could access this. Come on, what do you mean? What do you mean? Uh, yeah. What do I get? Do I get authenticated user or not authenticated user? What do I get? Uh, yeah. Delete, delete user. We deleted the user. Select, refresh, sign up, continue with Google. Okay. And we don't get any log, which is insane. To prevent clerk authentication from protecting the API route, remove the rule matching slash API from API routes array in the auth middleware. So in the auth, what do you mean? So slash auth slash API routes array matching to auth middleware. I'm just saying, yeah, I mean, this is public, right? So it doesn't matter. Hmm. Why sign in and all this doesn't work? I don't know. So it seems the same issue to make routes of the both sign in and server user slash app to the pub signer. Add this to a public routes array. Pass to the auth fund. Bro, that is added to the. What do you mean? This is there. This is that. This is this. Uh, insane. Pass ignore routes this to to prevent authority from running to all pass ignored routes. Let's add this. I don't want that ultimately, but let's have it working first. What do you mean? Okay, it's something broken. That would create an issue, I'm pretty sure. Why did this not work? I had to sync user from MongoDB to. This is all bullshit. Why doesn't it work? What is webhook? I know what is webhook. It is doing it to Express. I want through Next.js. Uh, add signing secret to. Yeah, bad. Understand webhook payload. Clerk webhook events are sent to HTTP post. Yeah, I get this. Data object is an object for information about the event's payload. Object and type. Why don't I? Why do I? Hmm. Why do I have those sign-ups pages still lying around? I don't know. API route editor. This sign-up sign-in should not be there. Oh, this should be there, but this sign-up should be there, and then this is sign-in and sign-up shouldn't be there. So delete them right away. Uh, Restart your ngrok agent by running the command. webhook secret, webhook secret. And have multiple tunnel, but I can have this, right? Yeah, this is the same URL. I guess it is. Mm. 66%. Mm-hmm. Auto stream, how come? Yeah, because I don't have any work right now. Like seriously. Okay. Because that fixed our issue. Did that fixed our issue? Let's see. Did that fixed our issue? Clerk is oh this issue is so stupid. I just what to do, bro? What to do now in this case? Can anyone do? This is how real development happens. All of you guys see like YouTube, on YouTube, people just coming coding stuff without any issues. That's not what how it actually happens. You have to experiment a lot. Wait, this did anything. Like this is okay. So is this working now? What do you mean? So if I just yeah, I guess it is working now. This is how real development happens. All of you guys watching, you see YouTubers coming and just coding everything in a single go without facing any difficulties. That's not how it is actually done. Manage account. Neither logging anything, nothing. Webhook, I don't know is it even being called. So let's see. Uh, Called something like that. So we'll have to remove clerk from my Google authentication, something like that. I think then only it gives the data again, back again. Something like that is the issue. I don't know. Delete account and continue with Google. This thing happens. Doesn't even run. Oh, I think we have given the wrong address or something. Like something is broken. Uh, this is the address we have given before. So we have to copy this and then paste this over here and see will it work or not. So I'll just say visit site. Ngrocks request failed with verification with request failed webhook verification. Check out the docs. What do you mean by request failed webhook verification? What do you mean, huh? So I'll go over here. I'll just do this. I'll copy this and then go over here. Cancel this. Give the new webhook secret and yeah, visit site. No. Uh, they have updated ngrocks agent might okay whatever. What actually worked for me? Latest version, next.json server component app folder. Previously, I was older version of pages folder. Okay. What makes plus endpoint public in? I did make it public, right? I mean, I am making it public, bro. What do you mean? I am making it public, right? So if you see over here in the middleware.ts file, it is the public route API. Uh, yeah, API/API/slash webhooks is a. I think oh, got the issue. Got the issue. The issue is mm, in the dashboard in the webhook section, right? I basically am giving this, but we have to do this. I mean slash API slash webhook where it should go. Save this, and I think this would work. Is this the same URL? I guess it is. The no, it's a different URL, bro. This time, so we'll have to copy this now. Say edit, and this pass this and save this. Yeah, this should fix the issue, I guess. Yeah, let's see. I mean, if I log out and log in again, what do you mean? 3000 is not running? Slash uh slash API slash webhook bad gateway. Why bad gateway, bro? Why get bad gateway? Is it? Oh, it's not running. My server is not running. That's the thing. Now it is not bad gateway. Come on, it's not. It's not. Thank you. It's not. Uh, Come on, load. Yeah, it is there. Sign up. I continue with my Google account, and then what do you mean? Yeah, I'm here. And why am I getting a 502? Okay, I got a 200. I got a 200. I have got a 200. Finally got a 200. Okay. Yes. Success. Webhook things sorted out. So the data which you see is doesn't contain the user information is because only the first time you get the user information. So our webhook issue is fixed, right? So now there is no more webhook issue. So what we have to do is you have to go to Google accounts, apps, something like that. We'll have to go and delete. What are the apps? Uh, Google Apps with account access. We'll have to delete this third party account having. So there was a link to view like which things are. Yeah, exactly. View linked accounts. So we'll have to delete the clerk one. So we'll have to search clerk over here and we have to delete this. So delete all connections with clerk, confirm. So we've deleted everything with clerk and we have to delete the account now in order to get this account creation thing. Okay, so delete. Yeah, so good. We did that. And next thing what we have to do is we have to come here. I think this should be, yeah. So we'll refresh this now and we'll be signing up. And I think we should be getting like good valid information now. Like, yeah, my information should be appearing over there. I hope so there will be no sensitive information. Continue. Yeah, I have signed up and what do I got? I got user ID. I got, okay. Why don't I get like user data or something like that? Data. Where is the data? What is the data by the way? Oh, this is body, not data. Okay. So you can say body. And what is the body? I just want to know what is the body. Yeah. If I just go to manage account, delete account, delete account, uh, when will I get success in this? I don't know. This it has been a while since I'm stuck here. Um, okay. Why don't I get user data in clerk webhook? Uh, I think there is a way to get like through ID. So get Google account information through ID. There was something like this. Getting account information through ID. But this is a bad way. I mean, that gives us that. So that is not required, I guess. Sync user data using clerk and planet scale. Uh, the event type specific payload will be here. What do you mean by type specific payload? So install, I have done this and done this, all of that. So event type and ID, and this is the body. So test the webhook. Okay. So there's a way of testing this. Okay. Interesting. But what is that event type specific data, and what is the type of this data? What is the type of this data? Interesting. Testing your webhook. That I got it. What is the type of this data? Webhook reference. So organization created, deleted. You have this. You have email created, and then user created. I want this user created. What payload structure? Yeah, that's what I want, bro. That's what I want. So this is the payload structure. Okay, but I don't get the structure, bro. So the data property contains the actual payload sent by clerk. The payload can be different object depending on the event type. For example, for user, all the event the payload will always be user object. For organization, all the things. Okay. So so it is user created. So that means the payload. So the payload will always be user object. For organization, the payload will be organization. The payload is the example. Uh, Webhook payload for user created event. Okay. TypeScript support. Uh, this is how you do it. Okay. So okay. So we can say webhook event like that. So it's like this. We can, I think, called oh yeah. So there you go. We have lots of data, but that's okay. So what we can do is we can just do const evt is equal to request dot body dot evt. There's nothing called request dot body dot evt. So I think payload has it, right? Cloud provides types as a part of SDK offering. Below is an example of type usage in webhook handler. So I think the payload is already there, right? So payload should have type. It's not like there's no type. Seriously, are you kidding me? Const type payload is equal to payload as webhook event. And then what we can do is we can say type payload dot data dot, yeah, it is there, but we don't always have this, right? That's also the option. That's also the problem. So we would have like first name and all. It's not there. Is to type event dot type. Okay, so it is based on the type, event type. Oh, so we do get the EVT. Okay, so EVT is of type webhook, so we don't this is stupid. We can say if EVT dot type is equal to user dot created, then we can say user data is equal to EVT dot data dot whatever. Yeah, there you go. So that's the data. And if there is no user data, then simply throw some error, say this, right? But if there is some data, then yeah, then we want some destructuring from the EVT dot data, right? And what data do we want? We want the first name, we want the last name, we want the sorry we want the email address. Says and we want the what do we want? So we'll see what do we want after like we start creating the user. So that's what we'll do next. We'll say new user is equal to new user modal, which is our modal, and let's give it like not first name. I mean, what do we have in our user? These things. So yeah, let's bring it down. So you need a name, right? So name, in our case we'll be having first name plus last name, so name will be simply first name plus last name. That's kind of correct. And we'll have clerk id, which is id, and then image url. The image url we can, it's null, you can say image url. That will be the image url. uh, yeah. And then next thing we'll have is what do we have next? We have email addresses, and then yeah, that makes sense. Is there a property called email addresses? No, literally email addresses. Great. So we have these things. I think this will help us to create all these. And now the next thing what we can do is we can just say, yeah, this should work. So we have all the information from the EVT. I think this would be working fine. So yeah. So we don't need this EVT type because we have directly taken that from the EVT, and the spelling of occurred is wrong, so we'll fix it. I don't see any other issues, so this is also yeah, cool. So next, I think this will so far this will do good. So let's try to run this now. So let's have a new like this one. Okay, hold on, let me try to create an account with this localhost port 3000, something like that. I'll try to sign up with my this account. Hold on. This is a completely fresh account, and I don't know will this. Uh, hmm. User validation failed. Email addresses is required. I think email address. It did not give me the email address. It did not give me the email addresses. Okay. So no worries, no worries. But it's working, bro. It's working. If there is no email address, simply so if this doesn't exist, right? So we'll simply say no email. Simple stuff, right? So there's no email given, so there's no email, simple stuff. And now now we can just continue testing the stuff. So now we can say localhost port 3000, uh, and now it would work. I think now the data will be synced and everything will be fine. So I don't get anything. I did either get sign out and nor get. That's insane. Why is that the case? Oh, I do get, okay. So we'll go to manage account and we'll delete our account right now. So we'll delete our account, set delete account, delete account, like that. We have deleted the account, super cool. We'll go to localhost port 3000 now, and we will try to sign in again. And this time I think everything should work properly. Yeah, there you go. We have a sign up. So we'll say continue with Google. Everything good. And we have another issue. It says path email addresses is required. So path email addresses is required. Yeah, that makes sense. So there should be something wants mm, if const email is equal to email addresses dot length is greater than 0, then at 0 or no email. Yeah, so if that happens, we can just say this, and the issue should be fixed mostly, I guess. Manage account, delete account, delete account. Localhost for 3000. Ah, sign up. continue with Google. What user validation field? Now this is not an show because the user sign up doesn't trigger the ID, I guess. Yeah. So we'll say manage account, security, delete account, delete. This did not created a new account for me. What do you mean? Email addresses is required. Where email addresses is required, bro? What do I get for these stuff? Log evt dot data. Probably see we do get all the data, but we don't get an email address like that. We don't get an email address, but we do get all other data. Interesting. Uh, I think we don't even need email address. Why do we need email address? Let's not focus on email address. We don't need an email address. Email address get lost. We don't need you. User, we don't need any email address. Oh, oh, we don't need email address. Get lost. We don't need you. If we'll needing if we will need an email address later on, we'll see. But right now, we don't need any email address. So here all these things are not required. Everything of these kinds of not required. So we can go to we can just simply get rid of this, and we'll be happy. So yeah, and then yarn dev. Now this would work. Finally, this is over. This damn stupid webhook thing is over, and we'll be able to focus on posts now. Why have I signed out? I shouldn't have signed out. I have to delete my account, bro. What am I doing? Uh, of course not, because yeah, I have to delete account, delete account, delete account. Yeah. Finally, we'll have a user with the following in our database, with the following creds in our database, I guess. Uh, yeah. Yes, it is there. So what we have to do is we have to go to MongoDB Atlas and go over here, and I'll just show you the user. Don't worry. So what sign up with? I am already signed in. Why does this ask me to sign up now? I don't know. Atlas is capable of for free. Okay. Thank you. I am already signed in. Okay. So we'll just go to databases, and we'll go to browse collections. Okay. We'll go to user, and not this one, but pixel art users. We should have at least we do have a lots of users. See, we did manage to create a lot of users. Awesome. So now what we'll do is we'll delete uh posts. This is the previous one, but this is the new one. So this should be my profile picture. If I just manage to click this should be my profile, Google profile picture. Yeah, this is the one. So cool. We have this working. So let's now quickly work on the post, bro. This is enough. Now we have to work on the post. So let's go to the editor. I mean slash editor, and let's quickly work on the posts. So we have this hello. Okay. So Yeah, I'll go to share and this is hello, and then share should work. So let's go to our post schema, and every it shouldn't have a title and it shouldn't have all these things. So it should have a base 64. It shouldn't have a name. It shouldn't have an ID. Shouldn't have all of these things. It should just have a user ID. Uh, yeah, and then we'll have to update the post schema right now. We'll go to post. Wait, yeah. So let's create it from scratch. So we'll have like a post, like something like title, which will be required, and wait, hold on. Um we'll have a title which will be required and type string, yeah, and then we'll have a image URL, and then that is required and the type should be string. And the next thing we'll have is we'll have a user ID, which should be, I think, reference. No, it's not type this, it's type how to have a like a ref type. uh, we'll set posted by, yeah. how do, how do, how do you create relations in mongoose? There was some way to create relations in mongoose. So you do like this is some schema, and then you do that, and then interesting. uh there was something called ref, and then you create a reference to something else. Can you, oh, this is how you do it. Type mongoose dot types dot object ID. The type is mongoose, uh, mongoose dot types. It's types or types dot object ID, right? And then the ref, what is ref? I think that's how you do it. It's ref, right? It's ref, yeah. So ref will be user. So ref is whatever you do over here. So if you go user over here, it should be user over here as well, I guess. So yeah, so we have a user modal, and we have, oh no, we have a post modal with everything like this, and now we just have to pass a user ID over here, which is the MongoDB user ID. So yeah. Hmm. How do we do this? That's the next question. Uh, yeah. So let's go to the post modal or something like that. Like share post art. This is where we were sharing the post, and this was the title. So I think we were calling some sort of actions over here. Yeah, this was the action. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to get the user ID and the user ID is the clerk user ID. So we'll have to find the user first with clerk user ID, I guess. Yeah. So let's do this. Are we saving the user ID with clerk user ID? Clerk ID, yeah, there you go. So user data is equal to await mongo, no, user, no, like that, not, I mean, user modal dot find by find by clerk ID, exactly. So find one, is that find one, something like that? Find, yeah, that's what I want to do. So yeah, throw an error if there is no user. And then what we have to do is we have to these things are not the new, if we go to post, these are the not new, the new fields. So the new fields are basically title, image, URL, and posted by. So the title should be, yeah, the title is title, and then the image URL is base 64, uh, I guess like this. And then the next thing we have is posted by, which is, yeah, this is the ID. So this will help us to connect with that particular post. So this will be like this, and this should work now. Should work, I guess. I don't know. So if we just say this is my first post, and if I just share this, there is one error, and we'll see what is that error. Not logged in. Okay, I am not logged in. Why am I not logged in? Oh, I am not logged in. That's correct, right? I am not logged in. So what do? We log in. Oh, we. How can we not log? How can we be not logged in? Come on. What are you saying? I'm not, like, I am logged in. See. So I guess let's draw something and then do this. I mean, yeah, something like that. And then let's say this is my first post. Um, and then I can say share it. And then I have this. You are not logged in. So we have some issue. Clerk server actions. Which server action? So we say auth, and then you get this. Protect your actions. Okay. We say use server, and then you do all these things, and then you have like the form data. I just don't like this. Okay, so how are we gonna do it? Uh, 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 mm, how can we make sure that this is the client component, server side action? Okay, so action.ts, what you will do is you have to do this. Oh, clerk next.js, and then you have auth, and then you do this. That's what we are doing here, bro. What do you mean? I mean, that's come on. That's what I'm doing, auth. But you're saying that I am not. But wait, hold on. Is it user not found, or is it this? What is the error? Uh, it's not logged in. This is the error. Interesting. So, oh, but yeah, let's log this. Let's see what we got. Get user ID and something like that. And then if I just go share, this is my first post, share, and then we have an error, but we should have some log. And then it says this not logged in, save to DB has been not logged in. Okay, so we're getting a user ID, of course, but the second thing, which is user, is kind of like undefined. We don't need user. If we have user ID, that's gonna it. We don't need user info over here. If you have the user ID, I'm happy. I don't need the user, I guess. Yeah, I don't need the user, bro. I'm getting all the user from here, so I don't need the user. Yeah, will it work now? I think it should work now. So if I just share, yes, it did work. Oh, that's cool. Cool. So if I go to data, and if I just can I refresh this? Is there any option to refresh? I have to refresh my entire like this. It should create a posts collection. I mean, come on, there you go. So we have a posts, which is this one. So there's a single post by this single user. So let's do multiple posts. Let's create a lot of posts. So yeah, so let's reload this, and let's actually create something. Let's create a boy. Let's create let's create Donald Trump. I should have not said that, but yeah, whatever. Let's he has some. Oh, he's not whatever. Let's create someone, not him. Uh, this is his eyes. This is his t-shirt. A really cool t-shirt. A guy with a really cool t-shirt. All of you guys here, if you have any question, you can ask. I am looking at your chat right now. So I don't know why does it have a why does it have a like like orange hand? I don't know. The hands are bad. Can you guys rate me out of 10 like on this drawing? What do you think? How bad this drawing is? Okay. It looks like a Minecraft something. Yeah. So we just go. We have some blue shoes. This guy is super happy. Let's give him some smile. Oh, he's not smiling, but still, whatever it is. Let's try to share this. So this is a guy who is preparing for JEE. Okay, good. So now we have few posts. So now technically what should happen is I should be able to basically show those posts over here on my app. So let's go to the uh, let's go to the page.tsx, and now we have simple app. So it is not simple app right now. So we'll have something else class. Bro, what about tunneling? I want to use this. Oh, bro, oh, tunneling. I used ngrocks, bro. Ngrocks. This is the thing which I used. So, and why this time live? Because I am free right now. Today is Saturday. Like in the night, what happened is, what happens is generally it gets 12 or 1 and I get sleepy, and then I don't have time, and then the things doesn't get finished. So all of you guys are like, this guy starts something and doesn't finish it. So I thought, like, let's start early. And yeah, that's the reason. Width full. Yeah, width full, height screen, BG black. I want all black website. I love dark mode. All developers love dark mode. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to fetch all the posts, right? So we'll fetch posts right now over here. So we'll say await. So we can make this async, I guess. And we can say await uh, among no posts modal dot find find. Let's have all of them. Dot do I have to say exact? No, right? It's the thing, right? Yeah. Select post. So if whatever. So we'll have few posts. So let's now render the post. So we'll say posts, and I mean posts dot map post. I don't want to do that. Posts dot map post. There you go. Why are you not happy with me, bro? Why? What have I done? I haven't given ID, I get it, but hold on. Class post, oh no, not class. Key post dot, oh, I don't have anything. What do you mean? What is post? So it's an array of any. I think we should have some type, bro. We should have some types. So let's have some types of this post. That's kind of like essential right now. So interface post type, and let's export this post type, and then we'll have, yeah, thank you. This is not like, this is not this, by the way. This is not this, this is not this. Okay. So first of all, we'll have to go to the user section and then create a user interface. So export interface user type. Yeah, user type, interesting name, makes sense. So now what we have to do is, instead of having it like posted by mongoose.reference.object id, let's have user id, no, user type. Yeah, over here. Cool. So we'll have this, and then what we can do is we can give it a type. So we can say this is user type, and then this is an array of that type, right? And then what we can do is we can go over here, and I guess there was like uh fill, something like that. Oh, there was some option, I don't remember it. It was post type, and then array of post type, and then we can go over here and we can say post dot yeah, title. Let's give it that as a title, and then we have a content, and then it should show something, right? Come on, what do you why will this not work, bro? Why? It's like, sometimes some things are like obvious things doesn't work for some reason. And then we have a post, and then this is like this, and then we have we have this, and then this is div, and then what happened? Tell me. Expected a comma. Where did you expect a comma? Why comma? Where comma? I don't get it. Yes, it's okay, right? And then you say key is an important prop, so you have to give post dot title as a key, and this should yeah. This is rendering two of them. I'm working on a web RTC based stuff. So, oh, okay. So now this user will, this all of them will have an ID which will be of string type, because yeah. And then I can do over here, and I can say dot ID. So that's the I am close to peer connection, client one, client two. However, when both clients try to the web RTC doesn't seem to connect it. I'm sure that what to do now. Help me, bro, debug. Bro, the thing is, it's the icing candidate issue. I'll discuss that. Let me show the hello. I need help, bro. Read that. I read that. I will be helping. Let's show the post. I'll be coming to your issue why it is happening. Just like 2 minutes. That's all what I need. Okay. So yeah, and I think we can show the image over here. So we can say not like that, but like image. I mean, I can do like an image, and I can do an src. I cannot. Oh, this image should come from next, and then I can do src, and then I can do post.image URL, and then I can give a width maybe like 400, and then I can give a height maybe 400, and then I can give an alt tag, which is let's use the title as alt. So post.title. There you go, and it's just angry. This is my first post. On the next image, if using relative image, it must start with a oh, what do we have? That's interesting. So start with data URL. That's completely correct, bro. What do you mean? Why? Uh, that's correct, right? Uh, okay. Uh, why are you doing this to me? This is the first post on failed to pass SRC. This is the first post. If using relative image, it should start with a leading slash slash or an absolute URL HTTP or HTTPS. No, I'm not using that. How are we rendering this on that share? This like we are rendering this exactly the same way, exact the same way, but this is not displaying it now. I don't know why. And if we just change this to this img, will this work? Or it doesn't work again? Why are you not working? Is oh, I guess this is not the complete URL, bro. Okay, this is oh, it's not storing the complete thing. Cannot do that. Like just show the post dot image URL over here. What is it? Uh like can you just yeah, just comment that out. Comment this out. No, you're not showing the post dot image. This is my okay on image URL. This ba this is base 64, right? But on image URL, why are we getting this post name? That's interesting. And we are just doing this. Okay. So if you go to the image URL, it's just this, right? No, we don't need to convert this in IMG, I think. This could, and if you go to title, what is that? Oh, the problem is we have swiped this wrong. Oh, what can I do with this, bro? I have to do I instead of say like I yeah, instead of title I saved as the image. Oh, that's the problem. This will show now. Yeah, this is visible. See, all the posts are visible now. So I'll have to do one more thing. Overflow why scroll. Okay, so that things could scroll like this. Uh cool. So the problem is this. Okay, let's solve this problem. It shouldn't be too hard. So we can solve this by simply going to the server action which we created. Uh, okay, so we have some server actions over here, which is post modal and something like that. We are so image URL is base 64. We are sending it in the wrong order, I guess. The first is base 64 and then the title. But here, what we are calling it is title and base 64. So base 64 is afterwards, which is the problem. We are sharing. Oh, the order is the problem. Okay. So this should be like this, and then this is okay. Okay, cool. So yeah, I guess this is cool now. So we'll have to go and like delete all the posts in the database. I just don't want to lose my post. So yeah, let's delete one of them. Hmm. So let's delete this one. Delete, and let's have this one. So let's replace this one with the. I created this drawing by like with like lots of effort, bro. I just don't want to lose it. Control X. I want to paste this over here. Yeah, and this some title. Save apply. This will be all fine now. This will be working as expected now. Yeah. So let's create new post and let's see what do we get. So we'll go to editor now, and we'll go to the editor now, and let's create a new post. So let's say um, something like, what should we create? I don't know. Uh, let's create a some some mountains like this, and then some water like this. Um, yeah, I'll be sharing the URL. So I'll be sharing a URL, guys. You guys would also create something and post. Please don't create something weird because it would be ruining the experience for all of us. So don't do that. But I'll be sharing the URL. My bad. I just know what base 64 direct works fine. Yeah, base 64 directly works fine. Some mountains and trees. Okay, cool. Okay. So now, did we do the same mistake again? I think we did. Wait. No. No. This cannot happen again, bro. This cannot happen again. Hold on. So we have image URL, which is proper image URL, and then the title is some title. And here, oh, the first one is still the same. The first one is, oh, let's remove the first one. Let's delete the data. We don't. So yeah, let's go to this, and yeah, this is fine. Bro. This is fine now. Some mountains and trees on the next, if you're using. This is correct. What do you mean? Image URL is data, something like that, and then title is this. Then what is the issue? So now what is the issue? Oh, but we are doing this stupidity now. Image URL is here over here. That was all correct. Why I didn't? Oh, there you go. So now what we have to do is we have to fetch the user information, set it there, and this like kind of like refine this to make it look very cool, like look great. So, and then I'll be sharing the URL with you guys so that I can see what you guys also create over here. So all of you guys who are here, wait, I'll be sharing a URL right now of this particular project. Create something cool and share it. Okay. Yeah. And don't create something weird. Okay. I'll be banning you literally. Don't create anything weird. I'm just telling you. Okay. Uh, so the next thing what we have to do is we have to, we have to link or something like that. No, it was not where or something. How to there was something I was over here, how to include this relation. So house find on name Alex whatever, this is create, and then how to uh and then oh, this populate. Okay, this, that's how you do it. So I can go after this and I can say, okay, I want to populate the user. Yeah, I want to populate the user. No, I want to populate, what was that, the posted by. I want to populate the posted by, right? So now I will have like that user information over there. So now I can show like this will be let's create a better version of this. Like let's start what do I say? Let's start let's start making it look good. So first thing first we'll have is we'll have flex call, I guess. Justify, no, flex call is this. So then item center, will this work? Yeah, this will work. So this is now in center. The next thing what we'll do is we will be uh, so bro, the web RTC, I would like, yeah, I'll just tell you why that might not be working. So the thing is, like when I was trying web RTC, right, that ICE candidate connection happens after there was some loading issue. I cannot, I'll have to look at your project exactly to tell you what could be the issue. But in my case, it was that like the candidate should be created after the like after the offer is made, something like that. I'll have to see your code specifically in order to see what what is the what is your specification. So we'll call it border one 0.5 pixel, and then a border gray, something like this, and then rounded MD, and then the padding is 3. Yeah, cool. So then after that we'll have to create a top over here, and then this will be another flex, and then we'll be using an image over here as well. So image, and then we can say src is equal to posted by dot image URL, and width is maybe 20, height is maybe 20. AOLT should be the name of the user. That might be like post dot posted by dot name. So if this is not available, then let's do this. What do you mean? Yeah, that's correct, right? Image.clerk.com is not configured. I will configure this, don't worry. Next.config, and then I have to say images origin. How do you say origin? Allow origin path. There you go. Should be fine. Do I have to restart my app? Do I have to restart my app, or is it broken now? Next image option detected. Invalid option. What do you mean by invalid option? Images.path. What do you mean by path? What should be this? It's path, right? It's path, right? Oh, domains. Uh, is it domains? I think so. This is domain. Yeah, it did work. Come on, it's still compiling. It's still compiling. Come on, give me some result. Yeah, there you go. We have some result. Why timeout? Wait. Operation find buffering timeout after 1000 seconds. Oh, the problem is I'll tell you why this buffering timeout happened, because we'll have to. So this is serverless, right? So we'll have to connect with the database, connect to DB, or connect Mongo. We'll have to do this before doing anything like that. Is it an asynchronous process? I don't know. Oh, this is a promise, so we can await for this as well. Oh, the user. Okay, the user.ts, and then no, this is correct. Schema hasn't been registered for model user dot use mongoose dot model. It says it hasn't been registered. What do you mean by hasn't been registered? Now what is this error, bro? Where this came from? Schema hasn't been registered for model user. Use mongoose dot model name and schema. Because this uh why was it working before? Oh, this is insane. So from the page.tsx, do we need? I don't think so. We should do it over here, or like we required to do it over here. Of course, we can go to the what schema hasn't been registered user. What is this? Bro, do you know Harkirat Singh on YouTube? Yes, bro, I know Harkirat. I think you typed users. Where? Where did I type users? What uh so it is in Next.js models. Okay, so this is how you do it. So I got the same problems. I don't want to do it. In the Next.js. I know Harkirat, he is an amazing creator, I guess. Whoever develops on live stream, right? Uh, is I would say is showing you the real version of development. Uh, how real development happens instead of like yeah. So see, development is a mentality, right? So you have to get like, okay, how do you research? How do you find the problem? Like how do you find the solution to any problem? Like it's just that. It's not like about knowing a technology. For example, Next.js, I'm trying for the like the server aspect of like the Next.js, I'm trying for the first time. Like I don't know this stuff, but I'm still making a project. I would just inspire you, all of you guys, to do the same. Just don't. It is not required to know something to create something out of it. Just start working, and you eventually you'll figure it out. Mm-mm-mm-mm. No, this call won't fail because user has added in the schema. The occur happened because user has not been interpreted by the time. Bro, when you make model, you typed something like mongoose.model, your model name. Oh, you mean that? Where? Post model models. Oh, okay. No, wait, hold on. Bro, when you make model, you typed something like mongoose.model, your model name. Yeah, this shouldn't match, bro. So this post mod like this post model, right? So it creates a name like post and it assigned it over here. So that's correct, I guess. The problem is we are loading this as soon as I think we need to have like a some provider or something like that before we actually start doing this. So let's go to this layout, and then we can wait for the database to connect before we do any of these things. So we can do await connect uh, Mongo, I guess, which will fix the issue. What connect Mongo? Await isn't allowed in $async function. So let's make it async. Right. So schema hasn't been registered for model user. Why is it not registered? Do I have to register it every time? I don't think so. That should be the correct approach. How do you do this? Mm, post populate. Let's look at the code on GitHub. So on GitHub there was a repository. MongoDB, no, Mongoose, Mongoose, um, Mongoose, XJS. I should be able to see some example. Uh, Go to MongoDB dashboard. Do you think that will help? So in the lib, I can see Mongoose, and it set up the Mongoose. All did very good. I need to see something there. What do you need to see in the dashboard, bro? This is there. This is the dashboard. What do you want to see? Hold on. Let's see how do they manage. So global is connected, and do I register all the client promise? So you export default the client promise. I get it. Okay. And then this is the model, and then that's exactly what I've done. Then why is it not working for me? I think should I do it as a server action or something like that? I don't think so. I can directly call my database over here. That's completely fine. But it's saying I haven't registered it. So do I have to register it? I mean, like if mongoose or whatever, like dot models dot that's the reason I don't like MongoDB, bro. Use Postgres, it's so good. If this is not there, then mongoose uh, dot model shouldn't be. I'm already doing this. Like, why am I even required to do this? Come on. Like, when I'm calling this post, something like that, post, right? And then it is assigned based on this. So if the models dot post already exists, then but his logic not great for this Omegle. I like his current project he's building, like Omegle. Or you like so he's building Omegle, right? We'll also do it. Let's finish off this project and we might build some video solution, a video, something like that. WebRTC stuff. We might do it. If you guys have some ideas, please do share. Uh, yeah. This is I'm again. This is irritating. Okay. Now, all of you guys watching, help me if you can. What do I do? Um, why is it not? Schema hasn't been registered for model user. Uh, okay. I got the same problem. I'll try mean tutorial now. I am trying to do Next.js. Uh, cool. This is not Next.js. This is not Next.js. Uh, Schema hasn't been registered. So, I mean, I'm registering the schema over here. So if it doesn't exist, that means the post should exist, right? So if I just log like models dot post, I mean post, it should log undefined or something like that, because yeah, it should log undefined or something like that. So if I go to the localhost port 3000. Bro, mongoose.model user comma post. Have I done that? Really? Why will I register post on user, bro? That doesn't make sense. It says user schema not initiated. Also, if not, then do not use new. See, according to this, it says schema hasn't been registered user, right? So user schema has. Oh wait, why does it say user? That's correct. Okay. Now I got the reason. You Oh, I did typo mistake. Wait, hold on. I did some typo. Let me see what you're saying. Bro, do mongoose.model user post. Hmm. This page. Typo. Where? In which file? Page.tsx or the schema file? Where is the typo? Uh, Post. I think if I'll not populate posted by, it would show it correctly. I think so. This is my assumption. Yeah, it is showing. See, my hypothesis was correct. So when you means do vice versa. Okay. So the problem is it will kind of work. But the thing is, we'll have to register this as we because we are populating. So user schema is being used, but it's not registered. So we'll have to register this before. Okay. So we need to register the if there is no mongoose dot, I guess, how do you do this? User. I just have to log in user. That's pretty much it. That will solve the issue, I guess. So I just have to like import user in the page.tsx. That will solve the issue. I don't have to even do this. I mean, before this, of course. So we'll have to do import that slash like slash slash models now schema slash, yeah. That wouldn't work. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Why wouldn't that work? Images.domain configuration is deprecated. Use images or remote pattern. Okay, let's use that. Uh, uh, so domains is deprecated. Are you happy with me? Thank you. What do you mean? I'm using remote patterns. Uh, see more info over here. Invalid next configuration. Next.js remote pattern. What do you mean by this? Yeah, that's what we have to do. Okay. So this is not actually like this. This is kind of like this. So we have to say protocol, whatever, HTTPS host. What was the host was, I guess, I have to go to users now. The host was, what was the host? I'll have to go to the bottom. So it's like image.clerk.com. So we'll have to do this as host now. Okay, cool. And now the next thing what we have to do is we have to see port doesn't matter, path name doesn't matter. So we just need these two things. So this should be kind of fine, bro. By the way, which IBR you use for the drawing? Host name. I did give you the host name, right? I pure. Yeah, this is pure canvas. This is there's no library, not whatsoever. Like nothing. It's pure canvas. So this is not host. This is host name. I guess this should be happy now. Yeah, this is happy now. So if I just refresh this, go to the page.tsx, it is happy. So yeah, that works. Okay, so now the next thing what we'll do is oh, this is, yeah. So can I call populate like later on? Yeah, I'll do something like this. I'll do like users. Like no, I shouldn't do it. Schema schema not not found on populate. I fixed it by explicitly. This is the solution. See, populate, and then in populate, what you have to do is you have to explicitly say path is posted by, right? So the path is basically posted by, not this one, uh, and basically the model is not this, but user dot mod schema user model. Yeah, there you go. So this should be now working. This should be as expected. Like this should work as expected, and will not be facing that weird issue. Yeah, fix this issue. Super cool. So now the good thing is it is calling this user model. So it's kind of like it's getting registered. Yeah. So we have an like this 2020 is I think very less of width and height for this. So let's replace this by 50 50 something like that. I'll be sharing the link to whoever is over here. I'll be sharing a link right now. So just register with your Google ID and wait, I'll just share it right away. So just go to this link and create some post because I have to test. So all of you guys watching, create some beautiful drawings and just don't create something weird, please. But go to this link and yeah, it will give you some warning. Just say visit link, okay? So it will give you a warning like this, uh, like this. Oh, you cannot visit it because okay, I'll have to register another tunnel. Oh, you can't visit it. I'll post this on Versal. Hold on. I'll do this. Let's launch this on Versal. Let's launch this on Versal. Let's launch this on Versal. Let's deploy this on Versal, and I want all of you guys to create few posts. Sign up. Do I have an account? I'm a hobby pro for commercial. A hobby. My name Jay. Continue. GitHub. GitHub. Let's deploy this on GitHub. I'm like, let's deploy this on Versal, and then you guys will post something. All of you guys who want to post, just hold on. I'll give you the chance. Where is? I think I'm done. Yeah, there you go. I have all these projects from before. Will not go to any one. We'll add new project. Okay, so we'll go and we'll search for pixel art creator and we'll import this and we'll say deploy. Versal has made deploying so much easier, bro. You know, you don't you can't imagine deploying a production app like within 5 seconds. That requires a lot of effort. You have to SSH to the server, you have to set up the domain, you have to set up the 30 different other stuff. It's so much better now. We have to configure the environment variables now. So we'll definitely do that. What happened? It's building. It's building at Red Bay. So let's continue our project. It's doing its stuff. We'll see when it's done. Next thing what we want is we want some information like the name of the user and all. So we'll just give it over here. So a div and a text lg, and then we can say post dot posted by dot name, I guess. Yeah. There you go. And then we can give some gap. So gap 3. And then do we have anything else about the user? I don't know. In the user modal, what do we have? We have that's it. That's all the information we have. It's kind of okay. Okay. So the next thing what we want to do is we want to show the title. So above, like below this thing, yeah, say text text gray 100 something like that. Yeah, and then we also title. Yeah, of course that exists. Yeah, there you go. Next thing what we want to do is we want to make a comment feature where you can comment stuff, but let's give it some top padding first. So in top 4, margin top 4. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, so you can manage your account from this particular place. You can post. So let's do some more posts right now. So we'll go to slash editor. So let's create something. So what should we create? Let's create a computer. So we'll say a computer. So this is my computer. Okay. Okay. This is my computer, this is the desk, something like that. Okay, that's enough. Let's post this. Let's say this is my cool computer. I think we will be able to support like emojis as well. Share it, and then once we go back, it should be option. Yeah, there you go. This is my cool computer, right? Awesome. So then next thing what we have to do is we have to say there should be some gap. So like free gap between all of the posts there. Yeah, cool. So we have two posts made by this particular user. I want to share the URL and I want you guys to create something. Why is it taking so long? Go to dashboard. Hey bro, how are you? Hey Arvin, what's up? How are you, bro? How are you? Visit. I think it wouldn't work. Oh, this is what it is. Oh, I haven't pushed the changed things. Okay, I get it. So then next thing I'll do is I'll go to the settings. I'll go to the environment variables. Where can I configure the environment variables? I don't care about the build commands, bro. Where is the environment variables? There you go. Let me quickly add the environment variables and yeah, but what am I doing even? I don't know. Let me add the environment variables. I'll be pushing the code and then you guys will be creating few posts and then we'll see what do you guys create. So uh, let me actually go to my .env file. There's a lot of them, bro. Can I add all of them? Is it possible? Uh, no, I don't want to do that. Oh, this is so cool. I loved it. That's Can I save it? Save. Yeah. Yeah, bro. That's pretty much it. We have done it. And we'll push the code right now. And you guys, this will be deployed. And then you guys would be able to wait. Now I have to add that Vercel URL. So whatever that URL over there as a in the clerk in the dashboard. Where was the dashboard? My dashboard is lost. Oh, there's the dashboard. Let's go to this webhooks and then kind of add another endpoint. And then this is the endpoint we want to add. And then it was API/webhooks, I guess. And then let's create it. What do you mean by invalid? Okay, this is invalid. Create. Okay. So we have some signing secret. I have to now signing secret. I have to copy this to. Is my copy working? Just wondering. Okay. So uh, there you go. So this is the URL I've added. Now what I have to do is I have to add the I'll have to go to where? I have to go to Vercel again and I'll have to go to settings. Hold on for a second. I'll have to again change the environment variables. That webhook secret will be changed now. So it will be edit. Yeah. So the value is this one. Save. Yeah, there you go. So we have changed the environment variable. So from here, that's how we do it. Super cool. And now what we have to do is we have to push our code. So we have to push our code. How do you push our code? Let's add all of the things. Let's commit post feature and clerk bug fix, right? And then git push. I guess it will start the deployment. Yeah, there you go. So all of you guys who are watching, bro, please create something, bro. Like if you'll be creating, we both will be like, right? So it will be like yeah, where is that? It's not that. Where's that? OBS Studios. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So request failed webhook verification. What request failed webhook verification? Hey bro, what are you facing? What is the issue are you facing, bro? So yeah, I guess let's see the deployment. Where is it? Is it deployed? Is it not deployed? Where is my Vercel? Vercel pixel art project and yeah, I think it's building right now. So it will be deployed really soon. So let's continue the project and I would like you guys to basically create something so like post something good and do something like that. So NG-Rock thing. Oh bro, so NG-Rock has a special documentation for clerk ng clerk doc. Yeah, you go over here. That's how you configure it. See, do this. Okay. So it was, yeah. Let's run this command, right? I'll just send you this command. Hold on. Run this command. Copy paste. Why am I Bluetooth? And am I not on Mac OS? I am on Mac OS. I have to restart my computer, I guess. I am Bluetooth. I want to go to cable. I want to start. My keyboard is performing. Sometimes it goes weird. Okay. So I'll copy this command. I'll copy this URL. I'll just send you. Go to the end of this URL and paste doesn't work. Is my paste not working? Hold on. Control V. Oh, it is working. It's not working there, I guess. Okay. So yeah, use that. Next thing, what I was saying was, is it deployed? Error. There's an error. What do you mean? What is the error? Post feature and clerk buckets. What is the error? Why? Oh, this is, oh, val. Okay. We'll have to fix this. We'll have to fix this. We'll have to fix this. In the editor, we had a bug. So all of you guys who are watching, I would request all of you guys to please create PRs for this project. We'll be making this way better. This is just like making this things work. We'll be making this way better than what you see right now. Where is that? Where's that issue? Yeah, here's that issue. See, this is the bug. So val could not. Do you mean by eval now? What is val? Const val text type any is equal to 0. Yeah, that works, right? Yeah. Git add deployment history fixed config user dot get config user dot name get uh add get comment yeah, we did that. Let's run it locally once, like like git build should, if this gives issues, if this goes clean, the deployment will have no issues. If this does not go clean, the deployment will have issues. So we'll think about that. So this create PR, right? I've shared all of this. I've shared the GitHub link, everything. Just create PRs, bro. Uh create PRs. uh I guess the new build should be started. Yeah, it's building right now. Okay, so let's continue on the thing. So the next feature which we want to build is, we want to build a comment feature, so that any of the given post, people could comment of like, how do, like, did they really like the pixel art, or they did not like the pixel art. So let's continue, like, let's make that part. So for that, oh, let's make a like feature. What do you say? Let's make a like feature. Yeah, that's cool. Let's make a like feature. So in the post, so we'll have like a, liked by, and this will be an array of array of reference ID. Your GitHub link. You want the GitHub link? Okay, sure. Uh, it's in the descriptions, bro. It's in the description. Go in the description. There is the GitHub link. It's in the descriptions. I'll paste this over here as well. Hold on. Yeah, but it's in the description as well. Okay. Yeah, I will do comment thing. Okay, sure. Do something. Yeah. Just create something. I'll review the PR, and everyone go to the GitHub and like the project and fork it. Yeah. And if you guys don't know how to contribute to a GitHub, if you guys don't know, if you guys don't know how to contribute to a GitHub, just I can explain you in 2 minutes. If you want that, let me know. Let me know, like, if you want that. Okay, so the next thing what we'll do is, we will be basically, wait, where's my CSS? What's wrong with my CSS? Oh, something just went bad. Yeah, good. Okay, my CSS is back. Cool. So now we have to build the like feature. So let's do that. So this will be an array liked by, and the array will be, the type of this will be mongoose.object id, and ref will be user, of course. So there will be like liked by all these users. And then next, what we want to do is we want to say that, yeah, that's pretty much it. So uh, we'll call it a action bar. So like, comment, and share. I don't know how share would work. Like and comment. Right now we'll be having only these two things, and then we'll have a comment section which will have comment. So comment will be stored in a different. Bro, see something wrong with your deployment? Oh, there's something again wrong with my deployment. Seriously? No, it's again wrong. Wait, what do you mean? It says cached mongoose return cache con. I'm not able to access the page. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We will be. Let's fix this issue as well. So let's now. Okay, let's go to the post first. And let's not have it right now. Let's fix the deployment, and then we'll focus on any like or comment features. So this is in the database.ts file. I think this cached is having issue. So uh, cache is not able to access of type. Like if I'll just say cache is of type any, will this solve the issue? Global. Wait. Global.mongoose. So I'll say cached, and then as any would fix this. No. Global.mongoose is having an issue. So in the types, you have this, right? Then why are you giving me the issues? Declare global types. Uh, let's do this. I wanna just deploy this and then think about anything else. Let's have it deployed. Get add get commit -m, fix the deployment issue v2 git push. Now there should be, yeah, it's building now. I guess this will be all fine. Yarn dev. Let's now continue on the comment and all those features. So we'll go to schema and we'll say comment.ts, and then we'll say const comment schema is like basically React is basically schema by Mongoose. No, I don't mean that. I mean like schema, and then this is a new schema, and then we'll have like every comment will have some comment. Will have some text posted by, and post, for which post was it there. No, I don't want to do this like posted by or something like that. So like comment, and every comment will be linked with, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I want to do like definitely this. So like what text of comment you were having, and posted by is user, which is correct. And then I would like to do what? I would like to do like timestamp, of course. Timestamp and true. And then I think I should short the like for default comment schema. Oh, this wouldn't work because yeah. So we'll have to do like const comment model is equal to model comment, and that's correct. The thing is, we'll have to import all of these things. We'll have to say import all missing whatever and export default this particular stuff, which is cool. The next thing what we have to do is the deployment successful? It's building. Okay. So we have the comment schema ready. The next thing what we have to do is we have to code this in the we have to create a new component basically. The component, this is for the post. So everything this will be having is because of the post. The post will have like an we'll have an action bar, uh, action bar.tsx. Action bar will be a client render project, like a component. Action bar is basically a react.fc. So yeah. What am I doing? Export default action bar. I should have used my extension, but I did not. I don't know why, but yeah, what this is what it is. So what should we have it over here? So we'll have like a width. We'll have like a width full uh, flex call. No, let's use grid in this. So yeah, grid call. Grid call two. So we'll have two icons over here. First is the first is the like icon, and then the other one. So React icons. I'm not able to see the page. You're not able to see the page. Is the Yeah, we fixed it. We fixed it. So yeah, I can visit the site, I guess. Authenticating. Yeah. Okay, so I all of you guys who are watching, I would like you to go over here and yeah, and create some post. So let me actually sign up and see does it work or not. So I go here, I go continue with Google. I sign up like this, continue. Yeah, I go over here. Cool. I'm signed in. Yeah, and then slash go to slash editor. I'll send you the URL and create something. So let's like test something like that. And I go over here, I say this is a test post, share, cool, and I go to the app like this, and then it should be according to timeline that I'll be fixing, but I'll send you the URL. This is the URL. What happened? But I have the option for creating NFT. Creating NFT, I'm not. You you might have that later on. I mean, that's a cool idea. Uh, I would I would share this. I would share this with all of you guys. Just go create something, sign up and create something, and we'll see who create what. I've shared the URL. Go to that URL and create some post. Create some pixel art. Share it on this pixel art maker. Share this. Share your art, bro. Share your art. Don't create something weird. That's all what I would say. Create something interesting. Create something inspiring, which is really great. I would just come back after filling up my water bottle. You guys just create the art, right? You guys just create whatever you wish. I'll be just filling up my water bottle and coming back. No, bro, got it. Don't know slash editor route. Oh, yeah, there's a slash editor route to basically go. Yeah. I'll be coming back after filling up my water bottle. Yeah, I'm back. I am back. Okay, so if you guys create any post, just do let me know, okay, so that I can review it. Uh, Action bar, there's an action bar, and then we need React. I mean React. What do you say? React icons. Yeah, and then I want a like icon. How do a like icon looks? Should we have heart like filled heart and not filled heart? That would be interesting. Yeah, let's have this. This is cool. Heart. I can see. I cannot see a. Yeah. Which one should we do it? I don't know. Let's have this one. So like FC like placeholder. FC like. So FC FC like placeholder. Yeah, that's what we want. We'll have to import that from FC. So we'll have to say import something from React icon slash FC. And then what we want is we want FC like something like placeholder. Yeah, that's fine. And then we need another div. This div is like C comment. Anyone create? Did anyone created something? I cannot see. Let's sort this by creation date first, so that all the latest posts appear on the top. We'll be thinking this about in a while, but let's do that. Here, what do we want is we want to can we do that? I don't know. Order by, is there order by, or like short, or like any other option? Uh, Mongoose find order by. Sorting with Mongoose. How do you sort? Yeah, that's the question. How do you sort in Mongoose? So exec and then date -1. Oh, there's a directly a function called sort, and then you do created at. It should be -1. I don't know, does this work or not? What do you mean? Omit any is not applicable to a dot exec. Does that work? No, no. I can't do that. Oh, I think I should do like, okay. I should do like the dot find dot sort. I don't know the order matters or not. Oh, it does matter. See, so it's on the created at uh, localhost for 3000. Uh, yeah, it is the, so the latest one is on the top. Bro, all of you guys, please do create something. I would like someone else. Yeah. So now this is okay. So all the latest, I think the date and time of like the creation should also be appearing over here. That would be very good. So let's say created on, and let's have like a new date. So this is not like that. This is post dot. Uh, in the post, uh, we have this, right? We have this. So this also has a ad, created at like date, and a created at as a date. And now mm, I don't want to have this format. I want to use day.js. So that's cool. So I want to say yarn add day.js. I have created, where is the save option? So it's here. Arvind, it's here. I'll just show you. Okay, hold on. So once you go to like slash editor, right? You you click on this share button. I think I should have like the share button big and bold somewhere, but this is the way you do it. You write something and just say share it. I click the save button, but oh, this is the download button above. Like this is not this one, and like this one, like the second last. The UI will be definitely, there's like a lot of improvement required, but yeah, you will be seeing this pop up, and then you share something. That's how you do it. Okay, so let's go back. Localhost port 3000, and we have installed day.js, I guess. Import day.js from day.js, not from, right? And then you go over to this particular place, and then you say day.js, and then you pass, yeah. But I don't want that format, bro. That's the thing, right? See, bro, see. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's see what have you created. Oh my god, that's looking really good. That's way better than what I've created. All of you guys also, I would request you guys just create something. Looks good. Universal coder. Cool. So yeah. So what happened? So there's no property called created at. Created at. So I think this wouldn't work. Created at wouldn't work. Like, oh, this is 13 January 2020. Okay, but I don't want it like this. I want like how many seconds have been passed. So like are you getting it? But for now, let's do this something like this. Created on DDD mm. Will this work? Oh, that's stupid. I think day.js time passed since post. How do this? Time from now. Oh, from now. Okay. This is from now. Interesting. So from, I can't do that. How do I actually install this? Relative time. Okay. So import uh relative time from, yeah, you import this from there and then extend it there. Yeah. So now I guess I can say dot from now. And then you just say true, I guess. You just said true. So now this will give me the information like how long it has been since the few seconds ago. Yeah, this is cool. See, few seconds ago, few seconds ago. Although the limit is from from now, like from. How do you do this? Hold on. I think I'm doing this wrong. So from now, okay. Oh, this is correct. This is how you do it. So yeah, cool. This is all correct, I guess, mostly. So it's like few seconds ago on. I think this shouldn't be this much big. So it should be like a little bit smaller. So we'll do something regarding that. Class, I just uploaded something funny. Oh, you just, oh, I'll just see. SM. So let's refresh this page. Do I have anything else? I don't have. This is amazing, bro. This is amazing. This is very good. Cool. Uh, One more thing, let's do. I don't know we can do this or not, but I think this would break on mobile phones. Or this doesn't break on mobile phones. Good. Great. Okay, so we have these. The next thing what we want is we have the time as well. I guess created few seconds ago. This was this few seconds? Why is it few seconds? 0 to 44 seconds, a few seconds ago, a minute ago. I'm pretty sure this is, why is it showing few seconds ago? Oh, because created at, we don't have it as a created. I think the schema is wrong. I should log this. I should log posts. I think I'm doing this wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm doing. So it's oh, that's the issue. You see, I told you I'm doing this wrong. So it is created not like this, but like 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 this. Same goes here. This is like this, and now this will throw an error at me over here. So we'll have to do created at, and uh, yeah. Now this would be kind of fine. Yeah, created 28 minutes ago, created 4 minutes ago, created 4 minutes ago, and it's working fine. So I think this should be even more small. So it should be like a XM, extra small. Yeah, and the text should be gray, like a little bit gray, something like that. Would look good. Yeah, so good, cool. So now next thing what we want to do is we want to have the like feature and the comment feature in this thing, and let's improve the UI as well. So in the top, I would like a place where you can create a new post. So I guess you should have an option to create a new post without even an image, but that's okay. So let's go to page.tsx and let's say create a new post or something like that in the nav bar. So we have a sign out button. So sign up button and then user button. And before the user button, I would like uh, mm, there should be a div, and there should be class flex, and there should be a button, I guess. Create new post, and then the variant I want is of like, or like color, like primary, cool, right? So create new post, and then I can have like some gap, like 3, something like that. And then I think this should be there should be some amount of padding between its component, something like that. Yeah, that's cool. And then what would I like to do is I would like to uh, did anyone else create something else so far? No, nobody has. It's okay. So we have image. Now we would like to do few more things. So we would like to do like a rounded full so that this is all kind of circle. Yeah. Okay. So we have a create new post, and what do you want to do is we want to say like whenever this is actually a link to our editor page. The link pasted now. Paste no. It will do that. Oh, it's not good. Uh yeah. So this should be a link, and this should be like over here, and this should be like slash editor. Only authenticated users could access it. Cool. So the next thing is we can click on this and we can go to the editor page. We can go back to this page. Interesting. Okay. Cool. The next thing is hmm, we should have a share button directly. Like this button is not why is it not removing? Like it should only appear if the current location is like okay. We'll have to do something like this now. So if location is equal to use location, use router, and can I get the location? I don't know. I guess I can, but I'm not sure. Can I get it? So location, no, router dot path name is this, and then only the link order this, otherwise no. Okay. Oh, it's that problem now. Okay, so I can render this in the client, no issue. Okay, so yeah. Use router. Next router was not mounted. Hold on, it will be mounted. Next router was not mounted. Oh, I think you not like the next router doesn't come from this. It comes from this, I guess now. So there's no path name in this. That's interesting. Uh, next get path name. Use path name, and is it? Oh, it should be in the client also. So this is use path name, and then here I guess it shouldn't be router, it should be path name, right? So path name is this. Yeah, cool. Should be fine. So this is not appearing over here, but if I go to like the home page, it should appear. Yeah, cool. This is what we want. This drawing is cool. Again, I would. Okay, hold on. Can I? Okay, so there's a link. Just go and create something. I want more posts. So next is uh, comment feature, right? I just forget comment feature. Okay, so we'll have a text and we have a posted by, and this is the timestamp. So cool. And how should we have comments? Now this is the question we have to answer. How should we have comments? We should have it over here only. I think we should have like a collapse or something like that. Uh, yeah. So if I do this, so we have a comment, we have a post. So every post will have multiple comments. So every post could have like multiple comments, and then it will be like this, and then it will be like type. Yeah. Is it comment? I mean, is it comment? And might be. Uh, yeah. So okay, so we have comment. Before doing any of the so let's go to the action bar and let's try to render this in the post for every post, right? So in the page .tsx, let's for every post, what do we want to do is we want to so we have this image. After this image, there should be this action bar. So action bar, right? And this should be appearing now anytime. Oh, there you go. So those are two action bar. I don't know why they are red and blue and pink, all those colors. I just don't like uh, that thing, like the way it appears. We want a like icon. Can I have a decent like icon without any of these AI AI like uh, um import something from React icon slash AI, and then I can import a like icon. I can say like uh, AI fill like, no, AI without fill like, because yeah, AI outline like, yeah, that's what I want. So I want AI outline like AI outline like, yeah, cool. So I have that, and then can I have, does the AI have comment, outline comment? Yeah, cool. So we have those things now. What do we have as a output? We have these two comments. Now what we have to do is we have to bring this in the center. So the way you do it is you just say flex justify center, and then let's increase the font size. So there's an option called size over here. Yes, I can say 20. Yeah, and then I can go over here and I can say size over here, which is again 20. Great. And then I have to do the same thing over here. So where like flex justify center, and I could do something like on hover bg gray, something like darkish gray, something like that, so that when I hover, this something like this happens. And then I can say padding 2, padding 3. Padding 3 is too much. No, it's not too much. It's kind of okay. And then bg gray, and I can give like some darker gray as a background. Kind of interesting. Okay, so I can take this, I can say paste this over here, so that both of them have the same feature, and then I can say gap of 1, so that they are like separated. So now if you hover, something like this will happen. The next thing what we'll do is we will be saying that this is rounded MD. Same thing goes for this one. Okay, so I've done something like this. I should have created this like a component, but that's okay. Cursor pointer, same thing goes with this. This should also have cursor pointer, and there you go. We have cursor pointer. So we have a like and a comment button. We have a like and a comment button, so you can like, comment, and if you have already liked it, right? If you have already liked it, so so what will happen? And why is it rendered as a client component? Because we have clicks there, right? So whenever you have clicks, you render it as a client component. There's action there, right? Yeah. So I want to have some like and some comment functionality. But what will happen once you comment? That's the question, because that's what we are building next. That will uh like, yeah, I don't know how to do. So it should render like a list of comments below this. So like, and I want to render them in the server, and then there will be like write your own comment. Like, I don't know how should we handle this. Should we have like a pop-up or something, or should we like have it here only? That's the question I have. Have anyone created something new? Let me only post something new. Nobody's creating something new. Create a new post. Um, okay. So we'll say, what should we create? Let's create some hairs, some dangerous looking hairs, something like this. Something like this. Yeah. And let's create some face, something like this. My face is looking too weird. Uh, let's create some face. There you go. And then let's create some eyes like this, and some nose like this, and some a happy face. And then let's create this, and then yeah, a t-shirt, uh something like that. Good. And let's have some yellow hairs as well. Why yellow hairs? Don't ask questions. Let's delete them. So let's have some yellow hairs, some something over here. Yeah. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's push this. So does this human looks cool? And the fun fact is you can also post emojis. So you can use emojis. Let's use this one. Yeah, share it. So this is shared. I think once you share it, it should go back and show your post rather than doing this. Yeah. So I have a new thing, new post there. Okay. Cool. Mm, what is the next thing we should do? Oh, we were building the comment feature, right? Yeah. I'm just thinking, how should we show the comment section? Let's see some inspirations. Comment section UI inspirations. Uh, comment section design templates. Comment should like leave a constructive yeah, we can do something like this. That was a good design. I mean, yeah. So when you click comment, it will reveal a section below this. Do we have framer motion in this? We have framer motion. We don't have, right? So let's say const uh, show comment section, and say set show comment section. Else by false. By default, it's false. And then I can say import from React, and then so this is like this. Okay, we'll have to do like this. Ultimately this will be a separate component, but for now I'm just doing it like this. uh yeah. And then this is the comment section. Then what the first thing I would like want is I would like an input over here. So it's not by post css, by next to your input. So the input is like placeholder write your comment. Yeah, something like that. And then I could have like a padding top, like class padding top 2, right? Write your comment, and then we'll render everyone else comment below. So all the other person's comment below this. So you can say class with full, and then div um, comment one, something like that. And then yeah, class text lg. Shouldn't we have it lg? No, we should not have lg over here. I think one thing, there's like this thing should be a flex, and which is there, and then there should be a button over here which is coming from this, and then there should be send. I don't know why is it looking so big. Is it padding or something? I don't know. But how does it look like this? Okay, like this. And then do we have any size option for this input? Yeah, we do have. What do we have? SM. I want SM there, and then this button should be yeah. Button should be, so we have a send, right? So I think it should be item center and gap should be like 2. And I don't know, the input and button size doesn't match. That's insane. Do we have a size option over here? LG? Yeah, now it is matching. So write some comment and send it. Simple, right? And then as soon as you send it, it will be appearing in the list, the recent comments. So then after that, what do we want to do is we want to what do we want to do? We want to render all the comments below, right? So every comment will have a user ID or something like that. So I guess we can take the leverage of the same thing which we did in the post section, in the page section. So the same thing we could copy this and paste this over here. I mean, like this, of course. And then right now don't show an image. I'll just copy the image address and let's show only this one. Uh, Whatever. Yeah, and let's have like test something like that, and then mm, let's not have a SRC. It's not test title, something like that. We didn't read any of these things. Yeah, we have something now. So this is flex, right? Uh, let's first give some amount of padding to this, and yeah, let's go to create comment first, and then we'll be seeing how to render this. So let's first create the comments, right? So the way we can do it is, first of all, this is false, right? So this entire section should only render when the show comment section is there, right? So it should only render then. So this is not there, and then when you click comment, when you click on this, so if you on click on this, we'll have that we'll have so, so now this, when you click this will be appearing, otherwise it wouldn't appear. Simple. And then what we want to do is we want to so we want to make a comment now for this particular post. So how will I know for which post do I have to say do I have to do this? So for that I would need an interface. The interface will be action bar props, and it will be post ID, will be string, and then I can say which has a post ID, which has action bar props, and then I can take post ID, something like that. What are you having issues? Post ID action bar JSS is not accessible type FC. Okay, just remove this. We don't care. Yeah, this is okay. So now what we can do is, in the page.props here, when you do this, we have to pass the post ID. So we can say post._ID. So that's the post ID we are passing. So we can use this post ID to now basically create new posts for that. But for that we'll have to create actions. So we'll have to create post actions. So we have editor actions and we'll have post actions. I don't know we should create it over here or not. Like, that's a wrong habit. I think we should have another folder called actions, and we have to transfer all the actions over there. We have post.ts, and this is use server, because this entire thing will be used on a server. So now the next thing what we can do is we can say async function uh, uh, create comment uh, create comment on post, right? So then after that what we'll do is we need the post ID, and we need the comment. What comment did you make? Post ID should be basically string, and the comment should also be a string. And then we'll have some try catch over here, try catch, and then we'll say mm, throw error, right? And then I guess we can return from this as well. So we can return the option. Now we have a post ID and we have a comment, right? So what can we do? So we can say new comment is equal to new comment modal, right? And I think in the comment we need a text and posted by, but um, we shouldn't do it like this way, I think. So posted by is a person, then we have to link this with some post. So posted by is the user ID. So we'll have to fetch the user ID. So user, and then we need okay. So this is like this. Then const user ID is equal to auth. I guess it gives user ID, right? Yeah. So if there is no user ID, that means the user has not logged in. So if there is no user ID, if there is no user ID, then user has not logged in, and there's some issue with that. And then if this is logged in, then we'll have to fetch the user information. So we'll say user modal dot find one, and then we can say we can say clerk ID. Yeah, this is what we want. So once we do that, we'll have to go do await over here, and then after that we have to in the comment model, as we have the user information now, we can have all those posted by and all those stuff. So where is our comment model? Over here. So you can keep it in the bottom now. So we need text, which is the text. I guess we already have a text, right? So just comment, right? Cool. And then we have a posted by, which is user ID, not post ID. So not like this is not what we want. We want what do we want? Posted by, which is user.id. And the next thing what we want to do is we want to save it. So we'll say const saved cmt is equal to await, something like that. So this is saved comment. And the next thing what we can do is we can just we don't want to return the save comments, but we want to what do we want to do? We want to now link it with that particular thing. So we'll have to update the posts where this is the where the comment ID, where the post ID is that. Okay, so we'll have to say await post model dot sorry post model dot find by ID and update. Exactly, it was giving me something. Push to comments, that's exactly what we want to do. So we want to push so we were having the array, right? So we want to push this saved comment ID. So what test issue we have? Import from this, yeah. And then once everything from this is done, return result to message post comment created successfully. There you go. So awesome. So we have this create whatever this function, create comment, create comment on post, and this is rendered on server. And then in this particular section we want to do it. So yeah, we can do like const create comment is an async function, and then what you can say is yeah, try catch. I don't want to do any try catch or anything like that. So I want to do like await what was the create comment on post. There's like create comment on, no, like I don't want to do that. I want to do like const comment, or like something like await create comment on post, and then I want to pass like whatever this, and then we can say comment set comment, and then use state, this is like empty. And then here in the input where we are, so we'll be making this control, so we'll say on change, and then we'll say event, so we get some event, and then we'll say set comment event dot target dot value, yeah. And then for the value we can say what can we say, we can say comment, yeah. So now after this we can comment, yeah, that would do it. And now we can call create comment from the place where this thing is there. So we can say yeah, we can say on click, and then create comment. Cool. So this will create a comment for us, right? And we just have we can write like something like, if there's no comment then return something like that, or like we should have some notification, I guess. We were having a notification thing, like what was that? It was like toast dot uh uh comment can't be empty dot, yeah, dot error. I think we can pass a type over here. So type it will be warning, yeah, and then do this whatever. So do this, and then if this is the current, and then let's say toast, yeah, reset the comment, and then not this one, I think. And then again, so a toast for like success. Cool. So let's try to comment something, and let's see does it work or not. So we'll say test comment, and then send. Oh, comment created. Super cool. So we did create a comment. I wasn't expecting that to work in the first try, but it did work. Awesome. Let's refresh this and let's see what we got. We'll have to yeah. So we'll go to comments now, and let's see what we got. We got a comment, and that's like test comment, and then posted by, there's some user ID, and then this itself has some user ID. Super cool. We have the comment, and now we have to render this over here. So let's render this on let's render this on, how should we do it? How should we go about this? Let's render the comments on server. Yeah, let's render the comments on server. Let's do it. So, or we can do it on the client as well. So we can go over here and we can say get. So I think we can do that. Let's do that. Const port async function get comments. I think it will mostly write the comment. So for a single post ID, just return the comment. So this will return the comments for us. Should we do it? I mean, yeah, we can save a lot of data. So when the comments are visible, then only we'll be fetching the comment for that particular post ID, which will save us a lot of data, like bandwidth, basically, which is cool. So in the action bar, what we can do is we can just say we'll have to create a type for comments first. So we'll have to go over here and we'll say export interface comment type, and then text pass by created at, and then an ID is also there, which is a string. So cool. So we have this comment type, and then what we can do is we can have like const comments, and then set comments as any, not as any, set comments, set comments, and then we can have a type of this. So we can say this is actually comment type, and an array of that. Yeah, so we have comments now, and then we'll have to fetch it. So how do you fetch it? So you create a use effect. So use effect, and then so we have to use async. So we'll just do like this, because you can't use async directly in use effect. We'll have to call a function. Let's do it this way. So let's do like a const fetch comments Just like this, and then I can say fetch comments, and then this is like show comments section, and then if show comments section is just like that, like, and then if this is true, then only fetch comments, and then this is actually async right now because we have to comments and then wait. Not this, bro. I don't know what it is. Get comments, and then it's not happy with me. What happened? So makes the dependency use effect. Okay, I know this has a dependency, bro. Don't. Uh, uh, let's now fetch for everything. Like let's now like do like fetch comments, and like let's do this. I mean, yeah, and then get comments. Is it get comments? Yeah. The fact is this takes post ID in this. So for which post do you want the comments? And then yeah, this is happy with me now. And then if I log the comments now, it should be pretty okay, I guess. Is it? It's not throwing me any errors at least. Use effect change size between renders. What do you mean? Refresh this. Can't populate path comment because it is not in your schema. Oh, that's correct. It's saying yeah, it's stupid. So it's action. Okay, so actions is having some issues. So it's saying it cannot populate comments because it is not there in the schema. So that's the reason, guys. Always check the code which is generated by your whatever code gen or whatever you're using. So we have a post. Okay, this is this. I don't want to see this one. I want to see the other actions, which is post one. And then get comments, and then so it says path post ID populate post by uh, path post ID, and then populate path posted by what? I think I am doing something really wrong. So I should actually store the post ID for which post was that comment made in the comment itself, and then it will be having like I can actually fetch comments by post ID. That would be so easier. That would be so much easier rather than doing anything like this. Yeah, let's do that way. So let's go to comments. Let's have this post ID over here, and uh, yeah, let's do something like this, and then we'll have to delete whatever comment we have right now. That's the only thing. Mm, we say delete. Yeah, we don't have any comments right now. So now we'll have to change the posts over there. We have to change this. So now this we don't have to fetch this post or anything like that. Saved comment is saved. Okay, so now we don't have to. Oh, this is good. If we do this, there's no issue with this. Uh, but uh, here it is posted by, and then post ID is also one thing now which you'll have to consider. Great. So now whenever making a comment, it will consider post ID. It will save the post ID, and then what we can do is we can just use that post ID to fetch it. So no need to fetch this. We can directly fetch comments now. Yeah, we can directly do that and populate posted by. I don't want to populate posted by. Oh, I want to populate posted by. Hold on. I want to populate posted by. So yeah, I want to populate posted by schema. What? How did we do it in the page or TSX? I don't remember. It was model. Okay, it's model. So then I can pass the model over here as well. So I can say user model. It's model. Why am I using the wrong spelling? Model. I don't know. Spelling is wrong. Okay, that's kind of fine. We will get the comment like that, but we can even specify a type of this. So we can say this is a promise which results in this. So we can, yeah, something like this. Yeah, and then it says it doesn't return that. Don't worry, it will return that in a while. So omit any is not a type. So this is, bro, this is a type of comment type array of that. Great. So now in the comment section, we can do like posted by. No, we don't want this. So we will say posted by, and then this is user. Uh, Not like that user. I mean, posted by is not a string, bro. Posted by is a user. Uh, User type. Oh, user type. So it's a user type. Great. So now, yeah. Once we have that, I think what missing dependency fetch. This is stupid. Okay. So what we can do is we can just transfer this over here, and then this will be all happy. Yes. Uh, yeah. What happened? Missing post ID. Yeah, it depends on post ID. Bro. If post ID changes, it will change. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, we are logging the comments in. Right now it will be all blank. I guess it will always blank. It will be logging all blank comments. Yeah, it will. It is logging all blank because for all the comments, because for obvious reasons, right? Because we don't have any comments. But if we will be having any comments, it will be setting it. So we'll say set comments, and then there you go. That's the comments, and then so what do I want to do? I want to basically now I want to render those comments, right? That's what I want to do next. So let's do that. So in the after the input and button thing, right over here, we have the like test title or something like that. So we have this, which is width full, padding to something like that, and then I can have like a space y3 something like that, or like two, so that like it's y2, and then uh, I should have it's a flex, right? And yeah, this is the first section. So this should be an image, and then the src of that image will be wait, and this should be, so the first section and this is the second section, and so this should be rendered for all of the comments. Where was I was here. So why is it select, why are you selecting, bro? Don't, sometimes this git goes vim goes crazy. So we have comments.map comment, and then like this, and then yeah, it's rendering something, I guess. It's not comment, bro. Comment dot text, and it's commented by dot name. It's not that, it's posted by dot name, and then it's, yeah, it could be name. So it's posted by dot name, and then it is not image URL. It's, yeah, it's posted by dot image URL. What are you having issues? Image, oh, I know, bro. That's, don't worry, I'll do that image thing. That, yeah, this is happy now. I guess if I click comment, if I click test, and if I click send, if I just refresh this, if I go to comments, I don't get a comment which is there, which is missing. Why don't I get a comment, bro? Why don't I get a comment? Interesting. I'm not getting anything there. Let me see, is there even any comment created? Let's refresh this. So yes, there is a comment created test, which has posted by this, but does not have, okay, it does not have post ID. Why it does not have post ID? Are we even send, oh yeah, we are sending this. So here, wait, hold on. So we have post ID, right? So, was there any issue with that? Hold on. Post ID, what? Only plain object can be passed in client components from server component. Object with two JSON methods are not supported. Converted manually to simple values. Oh, okay. Only plain object can be passed from client component to server components. What do you mean by that? Where is this issue? Where are we passing post ID? Oh, so this is the issue. So it's saying, is it an issue? I don't think so. This shouldn't be an issue. So this is post ID, this is ID. And then saying says only plain object can be passed from client component from a server to a server to a client component from server. Object with two JSON methods are not supported. Converted manually to simple values. Uh, we are not passing this, bro. What do you mean? So post ID is ID, right? What do we get? We just do like not like that. Post dot underscore ID. I guess we'll be getting like the ID thing. Yeah, this is the ID, right? Passing this shouldn't be an issue for like this guy shouldn't be complaining for that, I guess. Yeah, it's not complaining for that. But if I do like action bar, and then if I just do like uh post ID, and then I pass post.id, that's kind of correct. That shouldn't be an issue, I guess. What do you mean? Plain object can be okay. So you mean like I need to pass an object, you mean? So if I have to do this, that's what you mean. Only plain objects. What do you mean by this? What do you even mean by this? Uh, you should before passing the data to page for use data convert it to string and to JSON. Why, bro? Why I have to do that? Why? That's the question. Why do I have to do that? I shouldn't be like required to do that. Incorrect warning for object prototype. Let's ignore this warning. I mean, whatever. Uh, are we getting any post comments? That's the question we have to answer. Let's close a lot of these tabs. We don't need them. Refresh. We're getting empty. Why are we getting empty, bro? Why would that be empty? That shouldn't be empty. One more thing I would like to do. I would like to do like uh, signed in. Just show the action bar only if the user is signed in. And then post ID. Post ID is post.id. Are we even receiving this? Okay, we are, right? I mean, are we even receiving this in the action bar? We should be receiving, I guess. Post ID. How does this make sense? We are getting the post IDs. We are getting the post IDs. Yeah, we are. So here in the comments, then why are we not sending? Okay, so first of all, let's see what's the issue. What is the comment created, by the way? In the MongoDB, right? What is the comment created? Hmm. Posted. Oh, there's no comment ID in this. Why is there no comment ID in this? So if I just delete this one, what will it do? Yeah, why is there no comment ID in this? It shouldn't be. So the creation is going on wrong. So if I just say test this one and send, so it says comment created. So if I go to the MongoDB data, I have text, I have posted by, I have created at. Oh, the problem is we'll have to restart the server in order to get that like comment post ID to work. Type ID post. Shouldn't this be an issue? I don't know. Again. It's not working. No. We'll have to refresh. It's not working now. I'm getting a lot of bad requests. Maximum call stack exceeded. Where? Where am I exceeding the maximum call stack? Oh, I think it's in the comment. I'm sorry. Yeah, is it kind of fixing the issue? Yeah. First one. What does it do now? Is it does it create with post ID or without post ID? Oh, we have a post ID now. Oh, that was the issue. So we'll have to restart our server. Bro, this is insane. Restarting the Next.js fixes the issue. So restart Next.js, issue fixed. Super cool. So we have post ID now, and now this is kind of working. So instead of doing this, we will only do this once. Yeah, we'll only do this once. Uh, yeah, let's see. We have some issue. Maximum call stack exceed. Why are you doing this? Why would this exceed the maximum call stack? Forget it. Uh, I can do this. So on the comments, rather than doing this, I can like, can I do this? I think this making this async would be allowed, right? Can I do this? So like async and then return. I can't make this async, like that's not possible. Promise not okay, so we cannot have promise over here. Interesting. We'll have to do we have to create like the get request on all those things? I don't want to do that. Use effect. Calling the yeah. So we can say post ID over here. So it's not valid because yeah, uh, whatever. So sync and then why would you do that, bro? Maximum call stack exceeded string to replace. Uh, this is a bug in Next.js. Why would this? Mm, I want to server render all the I want to send server render all the comments. So action bar and let's create like comments dot tsx comments and then let's say react see I don't want to really react. I want to create a function. Hey Danish, what's up? How are you? How is your life going on? Export default comments. There you go. So we have comments now. Let's server render the comments. Yeah, let's see whatever we have. So yeah, let's fetch the comments over here. So let's have the post ID over here. And post ID, and then this is post ID, and this is string. Yeah, this would be valid. This would be valid. Yeah, this is valid. And then can I pass a can I pass a prop from a server component to a client component? I'm just wondering. I think we can. So we'll fetch the comments first. So we'll say we can just use the same thing we did in the actions over here. So for this, we just have to do this. Copy this, paste this over here, and we have to just import all missing things, and we have to just make this async. Uh, yeah. And then I think we can simply go to the action bar, and then we can copy all of these things wherever the comment section was. I can cut this. We can paste this in the comments. Yeah. Then we can import the image. Importing image is kind of okay, right? So we can't import image. That's insane. Import uh, import image from next slash image. Yeah. Cool. So we have this, and we can render comments like this instead of rendering it like that way. So we can say for this particular comment study comments. It's just angry at me. Oh, it's not cool. So yeah, this is cool. So we don't need this comments array or anything like that. This should be all fine. Could not read properties on already use context. Where are you using use context? Where the hell are we using use context? We are not using use context anywhere. We are not using use context anywhere, bro. Anywhere. Seriously. Um, check this. Either happens generating page of console log. This either happens while generating a page. Okay. 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 Cannot. Okay. Comments. We can solve that one. That is a easy bug to solve. So let's close all of these things. This one as well. So in the comment section, we can see the comment model. It says, okay, cannot read properties of uh, cannot read properties cannot read properties of undefined reading comment. So models itself is undefined in this. Insane. What could we do in this situation? cannot read properties of undefined reading comment at comment.ts schema this. Then register it, bro. If this that is the case, okay. So if we just go to the comment in the schema, if models exist, right? Then not model question mark. Yeah, that could fix the issue. What happened? Cannot read properties of undefined reading user. Okay, the models is okay. I told you, right? Like it's okay, kind of like, oh, this is user. Oh, wait. Oh, got the issue. Got the issue. Got it, bro. Got it, bro. The thing is, right now it's posted by, and I'm just going to user model, right? But it should populate it, right? Oh, let's not populate. Let's not. Okay, no. Like, I think this is the issue. Let's not have it over here. Let's do fashion comments. Posted by user model. I think this is what is causing it to crash. Posted by. I mean, there's no reason this shouldn't work. It's saying cannot read properties of undefined reading comment. So it cannot read. Cannot read properties of undefined models. Next share. The I copied your code and it worked fine. Went into token collection versus token like exactly. And one thing I noticed, expires field created at was like next year's field. It's not. What do you mean? It's all correct, right? I mean, what's wrong in this? There's nothing wrong. Hmm. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go to the comments and let's now go to the comments. Let's now remove this populate. Like I think this should work with with this populate option turned off, and then we cannot have this done. But the text should appear. I mean, yeah, the text should appear. Still not working. What do you mean? Why, bro? Why? I don't. What? This is. Oh, got it. So there's nothing called post ID in this. I think comment has nothing called. Oh, there is post ID. There you go. Cannot properties of undefined reading comment. Let's ask Bard. Bard must be knowing the answer. Bard is smart. Bard is smart. Let's see. So getting this using mongoose um, on Next.js. Oh, bro, that's not the issue. Is it even able to commands? Is it even able to render this? I mean, this rendering. Hmm. Okay. So we have to fetch comment based on post ID. Are we getting the post ID? I think we should be getting the post ID. Log post ID. Are we getting the post IDs correctly? Don't know. Are we getting the post ID? The question is this. Are we? Oh, it's not because it's not. It is okay. Async await in client component. Okay. Async and await is not yet supported in client. But this is not client component. Why are you rendering this as a client component, bro? But this is not client component, right? I mean, yeah, this is not client component. Async await is not yet supported in client component, only server component. This error is often caused by accidentally using use line to a module that was already written for the server. Hmm. Can we render server component inside client? You cannot import a server component to a client component module since it requires new request back to the server. Instead, you can pass a server component as a prop to a client component. Okay, I can pass a server component as a prop to a client component. What does that mean? Okay, that's the issue. We cannot create a server component inside a client component. That's the problem. That's what we are unable to render this one. So what we have to do, we have to render this in the client only. That's the one option. Yeah, render this in the client. Let's do this. Let's not care a lot about anything else. We use client. And what's the benefit of doing this over here? I mean, why am I even bothering doing this over here? I'm just thinking comments and comments type and this comment type and this is here. Cool. And then hi. So we have comments, and then I can do this now. Hold on. I can do this now. Cool. And then I can import the image. It doesn't import. Why are we not importing? import image from next image. Cool. And then in this over here in the action bar, what we can do is we can just we can pass the entire comments of this particular thing. So let's now do one thing. Let's fetch the comments over here. So this is the comment. I will say comments, set comments, and then not as any, but as comment type as an array of that. Yeah, and then let's pass the comments over here. So it's a comment. Okay, and then what we can do is we just have to set the comments. So we'll say use effect at the beginning only, log const. I'll create a function called that didn't work. So I'll create a function where fetch comments like get fetch comments. Equal to wait, not a wait. Comments. Get, I was having it there in the post page, no, in the post action page. But that comment is there by post ID, so I can say comments post ID, and then I can say wait over here, and then I can log. It will go on an infinite render. I'm pretty sure that was what it was happening the previous time. It's saying I cannot do this TSX. I'm not calling this fetch comments. Now syntax error in the comments.tsx. I don't have a comments.tsx. What do I have? Oh, it says this. What do you mean? Unexpected token div. There's no issue, bro. There is no issue like that over here right now. I think I should create an route for this rather than doing this. Let's create a route for this. So in the app API we have webhooks. Let's have like comments and then route. But yes, const export function get. That's pretty much all. We don't want to do this. we want to basically have few things from the from the body. So we want to have like a post id. So post id is equal to request dot not query, I mean, yeah, we can have it as a query. So request, what is the request? Request is next request, and then we can say request dot query or request dot uh, search params. Is there search params? I don't know. uh, you got a query, you got a query, but there is no query in the request. I cannot use a body because I don't want to use post, bro. I don't want to use post for this. I think we'll conclude. Like we'll be writing the comment and the like feature in the next stream. Yeah, I'll be doing that in the next stream. Let's conclude this. I hope so the thing breaks. So let's commit this. Let's delete this comments. Not rename, delete. To cache. Comment. Request. I don't know, something will break. Let's run yarn build. See something. Thank you, all of you guys who watched. I think nobody's watching, but still, bye bye. Have a great day.